Hey everybody, it is Thursday, July 9th, 2020, and we're going to be taking a look at some progress that's been made on the Transform 66 project, specifically the intersection the intersection of 66 and 28. The first ramp to open as part of that interchange rebuild has opened from 66 East to 28 North. So we're going to go take a look at that right now. Getting on 66 East here. Got a new mount for the GoPro today. Hope it looks good for you. Should be coming up pretty soon. Alright, so here is the new ramp to 28 North from 66 East. It's a bit further west than the old ramp was. So as you can see, it goes up and it goes behind the old church, which is to the left, which is now the temporary construction office. This is the bridge, part of the bridge they've been working on for months now. Uh-oh, short merge area. Bit of a short merge here right now. So there's that new ramp. You can also see the rest of the work they've been doing on this interchange with the construction of the piers for the new bridge that'll connect Walney and Braddock Road. They've been doing a lot of this paving. This is actually new pavement. The old pavement is to the left. Looks like they're going to be doing more paving to the right there as well. So this light right here has been out of service for a couple months now. No more U-turns allowed here. You have to go up to Westfields and turn around. Now, you'll notice that there's still a lot of traffic on the southbound side, and that is because most of the traffic now has to wait at the existing light at Braddock Road for the right turn from Braddock onto 28 South. So once that is eliminated, it should eliminate most of that bottleneck on the other side. Right here, this is the Poplar Tree Road Bridge. Another new bridge as part of this project that'll link up the road across 28. So that's coming along. They did all the beam lifts for that a couple months ago. But yeah, that's a quick look at that new ramp right there in the 28 interchange as it stands right now. According to an email from the construction team, the next ramp to be opened will be a ramp from 28 South to 66 East, which right now is the left turn light, or it's a left turn that you have to go through a light, which stops the traffic coming from 28 North. So once that gets eliminated, it'll be yet another light gone in this area. And then supposedly the whole Braddock and Walney interchange will be rebuilt interchange will be open in the fall, and that will remove the last lights between Westfield and 29 or 66 on 28. So that'll be awesome. And then the whole 66 express lanes project is supposed to be complete in 2022, wrapped up. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll take a look again when the next new ramp opens. All right, thanks for watching.